The truck that I think that caught my eye the most is this International over here, 1935.
Everything you see is 100% original.
And it runs?
Yes, runs and drives.
Hello fellow truck drivers, this is Alan Kitzhaber. I am the 2024 Overdrive Magazine Truck Driver of the Year, and we are at the 2025 Matt's Truck Show. And we're in the American Society of Truck History, taking a look at some of the old-time trucks that used to be on the road, and some of them probably still are. The truck that I think that caught my eye the most is this International over here. Well, it's a classic. Can you imagine when this was used for moving loads across from town to town or wherever you were going? I guess it's better than a horse and buggy. Is this yours? It is.
1935 International C30. They call it a 1.5 ton.
1.5 ton?
Yes.
Okay. So it wasn't necessarily over-the-road truck type?
No, sir. This was basically a farm truck.
A farm
so
truck?
To speak, yes. The special thing about this one here is my grandfather bought this truck brand new, 1935.
Oh, so it's been in the family a long time. 90 years?
Yes.
90 years?
Everything you see is 100% original.
And it runs?
Yes. Runs and drives. Took us about 31 years to rebuild it.
To rebuild it?
We got pictures of before and after if you like to look.
Okay, did you want to look at those?
Grandpa, he hauled cattle, hay, tobacco, whatever else you could get on, you know.
Uh-huh.
He parked it in 1952 in the barn. This is the last license plate that he put on it. We also had the original bill of sale here. He bought it from Zimmer Motors in Covington, Kentucky in 1935. If you look at it, you'll see what he give for it. $100 and other considerations.
What the other considerations were?
We do not know what the other considerations were.
Maybe a dozen eggs?
Could have been some chickens or hardtail what. This is when we pulled it out of the barn in 1983. And of course, we've done extensive repair on it over the years. We're very proud of it.
I certainly would be. It looks beautiful. Okay.
Everything you see is pretty well original. It still has the original floorboard in it.
So that well taken care of in order for that to be the case?
Yes. Yeah, it's sitting in the barn for a long time. So that's what we pretty well saved it.
Jack was just telling me these drawers are made of wood. And this is the original wood.
They made this in particular model from 34 to 36. 1935 was the last year model that they made them out of wood. 1936, it went to metal.
How many cylinders is the engine?
It has a 6-cylinder inline. It's a 231 International motor.
It's a gasoline powered?
Gas powered. These are the original rims.
Original rims.
Everything's original except for the tires.
Well, hey, I appreciate you taking the time to visit with us.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you taking a look at it. We're very proud to have it here.
Yeah. And Diane, it's nice to meet you too.
You too.
He said that you've gotten really involved with all this down to the nitty-gritty stuff.
The nitty-gritty.
Okay, well, that's great when a husband and
team.
It's great when a husband and wife can work together on something and enjoy it. Well, let's look at the rest of the trucks here. Right behind you is a 1972 Freightliner. That's an old one. There's a 79 Freightliner. There's a 79 Kenworth. 81 Peterbilt, 86 Peterbilt, and then we've got the Amazing Grace 1972 Peterbilt. It catches your eye. It's not what I would do necessarily because I'm not really big into the chrome and the lights and the fancy paint jobs and such, but you know, some guys, this is their hobby. And if it's your hobby, then you know, it's tax deductible, so you can't hardly argue with that. But that's not my hobby.